Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Zope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study part 6 of our chapter 1, that is basics of computer graphics. Learning outcomes of these videos are, after watching this video, you will be able to know about output primitives. Basic output primitives are point, line segment, text, polygon and marker. Then we will study standards for computer graphics. In last video, we have studied about some display devices. Flat panel display. We have studied two types of flat panel display, emissive and non-emissive flat panel display. Then we have studied plasma panels, light emitting diodes, that is LED, and liquid crystal display, that is LCD. And at last we have studied about touch screen. Then start with output primitives. Graphic primitives are the functions that we use to draw actual lines and the characters that make up the picture. These functions provide convenient method to application programmer for describing pictures. Output primitives are the basic geometric structures which describe a picture. The basic object out of which a graphics display is created are called as output primitives. Normally describes geometry of object. Each of the output primitives has its own set of attributes. First is primitives that decide what to draw, and second is attributes that decide how to draw. Let's see few basic primitives of it. Basic output primitives are point, line segment, text, polygon and marker. Then start with a point output primitives. Point. It plots a single pixel on a screen. We have seen that our screen is divided in a number of pixels. To plot a single pixel on a screen, you need to use a point. Attributes of this point output primitives are x, y coordinates, position, comma, color. For example, consider following command. Put pixel in round bracket open x, comma, y, comma, color. It displays pixel at x, y coordinate position in a given or a specified color. Second output primitive is a line. It draws a straight line. Attributes are line type, width, color. For example, consider the following command. Line 2 in bracket x, y, it draws a straight line from current beam position to the point x, y. And line command, that is line in round bracket x1, y1, x2, y2, it draws a straight line from x1, y1 coordinate position to x2, y2 position. The next output primitive is text. It draws a string of characters. Attributes for text command are font color, size, spacing, orientation, height and width. It draws a string of characters. For example, consider the following command that shown on your screen, that is text in round bracket x, comma y comma string, where x and y is the text position and string is a string of characters. Then next output primitive is a polygon. A set of line segments joined end to end. Some graphic devices supports polygon drawing approach where directly basic polygon shapes are drawn. So here one polygon is shaped as one unit. Standard command to draw a polygon you can consider here as a triangle is triangle in the round bracket x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 comma x3 comma y3 where x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are the coordinates of three vertices of triangle and they support direct polygon drawing command. This could be replaced by polygon command to draw any polygon shape having any number of sides. As shown below. Consider this command draw poly and then x open square bracket close square bracket comma y open square bracket close square bracket comma n round bracket complete semicolon where x is array of x coordinates of all line segment. That x open square bracket and close square bracket it is called as array of x coordinates and y open square bracket close square bracket it is called as coordinates of y. The next is a marker. It draws a specified symbol at given coordinate position in different color and different sizes. We can select a particular character to be a marker symbol. Attributes for marker output primitives are marker type, size, color. For example, consider the following command. You can see on a slide, draw marker in round bracket. We have seen this is called x of array of x, that is the coordinates of x, and this is the coordinates of y and comma n. Instead of drawing a polygon, it will draw symbols on polygon edges. The next we will study the standards for computer graphics. Graphic standards are provided for easy transfer of the graphics from one platform to another as there are many variations in display devices. A good computer graphic system includes good software as well as compatible hardware. The need for graphic standard is software portability, image data portability, text data portability, model data portability. Then next we will see which are the standards for computer graphics. The search for standards began in 1974 to fulfill these needs both at the USA and international levels. As a result of worldwide efforts, various standards at different levels of the graphic system were developed. The standards are CORE, that is a core of a graphic system. The very first standard is Core standard, developed by the Graphics Standard Planning Committee of the Association of Computing Machinery, ACM. Core is also termed Special Interest Group on Graphics of ACM. Second standard for computer graphics is GKS, that is Graphics Kernel System. It is an ANSI and ISO standard. ANSI stands for American National Standard Institute and ISO stands for International Standard Organization. Then third is IGES, that is the Initial Graphics Exchange Specification. It is an ANSI standard. Fourth is PHIGS, that is the Programmer's Hierarchical Interactive Graphic System. It supports workstations and their related computer graphics applications. Fifth is CGM, that is a Computer Graphics Meta File. It defines functions needed to describe an image. Such description can be stored on or transported from one graphics device to another. Sixth is CGI, that is Computer Graphics Interface. It is designed to interface plotters to GKS or PHIGS. Then, today just will summarize what you have studied. We have studied some output primitives. Then the basic output primitives we have studied are the point, line, text, polygon. These four and one more is marker. This total 5 are the basic output primitives. This question is asked in your board exam. The next we have studied graphics standard. We have seen the need for standards and which are the standards for computer graphics. Thank you for watching this video.